What's up guys, welcome to Mad About Cake. I'm your host Joshua John Russell, and today we're making a cake for our future cake slayer. I'm gonna build a two-tiered blue and red cake filled with yellow buttercream and finished with fun comic book details. Let's do it! I'm gonna start by breaking down an 8-inch vanilla cake. These I dyed red and blue, and then we're gonna alternate the layers.
So, what's this party for?
So this party is actually for a new show that I have on Blueprint with my friend Kristen Johnson, where we throw parties. And this is for a little boy who is, he loves the show, so he's a feature cake slayer. And I'm making his birthday cake. And then you guys can watch the whole party on Blueprint. All the details are right down there. All right, I'm gonna clean my crumbs up and I'm gonna fill this with vanilla yellow buttercream.
So you ground up Smurfs and put them in there?
Yes, I sure did. It's just blue coloring.
And a little Gargamel.
All right, first trip to the cooler, then we'll trim the sides, crumb coat, final coat. I'm gonna get this cake back in the cooler, and once it gets really cold, I'll tighten it up again, and then we'll panel it with yellow fondant.
A big old stick of butter.
So I'm gonna roll out some yellow fondant. We're gonna do this panel style. So I have my spacing band so it's even thickness across. I'm gonna put it on a half sheet pan and put it in the fridge, let it firm up, and then put it on the cake so it's easier to work with. Snow!
Snow! Hey Joshua.
Yo.
I got a physical letter from Brandon.
You did?
Yeah, I got it out in my car.
Okay.
It's a real piece of work. I'll go get it.
Okay. Yeah, I wanna know where this guy is.
I'll be right back.
All right, I'm gonna get my panels in the fridge that'll firm up completely, and then we'll wrap them around the cake. All right, my fondant has firmed up a bit. I'm gonna put it on top first.
Yellow, one yellow, one yellow, one yellow.
I mean, there is a lot of yellow. Ooh, that's
Yellow.
super cold. All right, we're gonna take a sharp blade, trim the edges.
Watch your thinners.
Yeah.
Me?
So I cut my finner off.
Oh no, I'm not gonna cut myself.
Oh, and then you're gonna go and jinx it too, huh?
Yeah, that's what I said.
Tommy, I really appreciate your concern for my digits.
We can't change the show title to Most of a Man About Cake.
Yeah.
All right, Joshua, I found the letter in my car
Okay, from Brandon?
from Brandon.
You gonna read it? You want me to read it?
I want you to read it.
Okay, let me see. Oh, did you crumple it up, or did
No.
it come like this?
That's how it showed up. It was just in my post office box, like that.
It has Cheeto dust on it. Ooh,
Oh.
it's like a novel. There's 2 pages. I love
See
how
it in the-
it says Dear James,
It was to me.
like the rest of us don't matter. Dear James, how are you? No question mark. I am good, but also bad because I don't have any money on this island. If you're on a stranded island, you don't need money. Can I still get paid while I'm stuck here? Please. Tommy, don't touch my camera. Too late. Best wishes, Brandon. My muscles, palm tree dog. I'm unhappy because I have no money.
Yeah, he just drew that picture and sent it along. That's him next to a palm tree with a dog, I guess?
This is that his dog? Is that Dario?
I don't know. It just says dog.
It's not big enough. And then I'm not sure he has all those muscles, I'm just gonna say. So we don't know where he is still.
There's the latest Brandon update.
All right, I'm gonna finish paneling my cake now. I miss him.
Yeah, just keep grabbing that knife quickly with your hand.
Yeah.
Like barely pay attention to it.
Yeah.
Do that.
What am I doing?
You just keep going.
You're just gonna cut your finger off.
All right, our tier's all paneled. Now I'm gonna cut out an awesome sign that says Cake Slayer for the front.
somehow he still has all his fingers. Shocking.
To cut out my sign, I actually found this fun party favor, and I'm gonna use it as a template. So I'm gonna cut out the largest part in blue, and then I cut the middle part out, and this one's gonna be red, and I'll layer them on top of each other. Snow, snow, snow.
How did you think up this cake?
So the kid's mom said that he really loves Man About Cake, and he wants to be a cake slayer one day, and he's having a superhero themed birthday party. So I thought, let's do something comic booky, and I'm gonna have like kind of like the likeness of him on top with like a mask on and a cape. Kristen's making felt capes. It's like when the kids walk in, there's gonna be a sign that says, what's the sign say?
What's your secret identity?
Which is something like that, and then the kids get to put on the mask and they get to put on a cape. It's gonna be really fun. Okay, so I got that cut out. I've also found these fun little, I guess these are called thought bubbles, but they remind me of like the pow and wham. So I'm gonna cut out a few of those for the cake as well. All right, I'm gonna cut out the rest of these guys and let them dry. And next, we're gonna airbrush our top tier to look like the sky. This is a 6-inch square that I have paneled in white fondant. We're gonna start with pink and kind of layer the colors all the way to black. And then at the end, I'm gonna speckle on some little silver stars.
Joshua, you know what this is reminding me of?
What's that?
Doodle Wars.
I love Doodle Wars. Blueprint has a lot of fun family content. I was watching Fashion Attic is cool.
Yeah.
And then there's another one called Ink Outside the Box. That one's fun too. But
Yeah.
Doodle Wars is like, those people are super talented.
Dude, I was kind of impressed.
And the host is kind of my friend. I met him in New York once.
Nice.
I'm gonna pretend like he's my friend. I don't know if he's actually my friend. Yeah, we'll put all that down there for you guys. It's really cool. Watch it.
Okay.
Watch it. Cool. All right, now that this tier is done, we're gonna make our little guy to go on top.
The entire universe inside a box.
I'm gonna build a little caricature on the top of this that kind of looks like the likeness of the little boy whose birthday it is, but more like cartoony, but he's gonna be like a superhero. So we're gonna start with his body. I build this like I build everything. You guys see me do this. I do it on a dummy form. Once it's done, I'll transfer it to the cake. So I'm gonna sharpen a couple of dowels first so we can get some structure in here. All right, I have some modeling chocolate here that's kind of like a fleshy color. This is gonna be his body. So I'm just gonna noodle on this for a little bit and try to get the shape like I want it. And then we'll add his cape.
Joshua, you want to hear some viewer comments and questions?
I would love to.
All right. Ivy Walters says,
Hi, Ivy.
you guys have inspired me to go back into baking. I love you guys.
Nice.
That's nice.
We love you too.
Puppy Cat,
Okay, wait.
named Puppy Cat.
I got it.
Puppy Cat.
Took me a second, that was confusing. Hey pup, what's up?
Says, I know this video was made a long time ago and stuffs, and you probably won't see this comment, but I want to say I admire your work, and you've inspired me to want to become a baker. I'd love to make cakes just like you do. Love your vids and how you guys have fun while making the videos. It makes me laugh and happy whenever I'm feeling down and out. So please keep doing what you're doing and make more videos. Happy face, happy face, happy face.
As long as you guys keep watching and subscribing, we're not gonna stop doing it.
That was two nice ones in a row. All right, the Healthy Happy Helper
Hey, healthy, hey, HHH.
said, I'm so excited! I asked you to make a hummingbird cake for my mom a couple of months ago. I told her you made it and she cried happy tears.
Aw.
JJR, thanks for being part of our family. Hearts, hearts, hearts. Yes, we adopted you, smiley face.
Oh, sweet. Do I get an allowance or what?
And then last, Lillian Higgins
Hi, Lillian.
said, hi, Joshua John Russell. Heart eye face, 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 heart with an arrow through it, 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 heart with an arrow through it. Hi, Lillian.
Was that it?
That was it.
Oh, thanks, girl. That's a pretty good shape. So now I'm gonna roll out a little piece of blue. So we're gonna put it for his t-shirt. I'm gonna make him a little neckline. Looking good. Now we're gonna roll out some red to make his coat.
Coat?
His cape.
Cape.
Cape. You know what, his cloak.
What kind of shape we making here?
Just like a coaty shape. And then we'll cut out a circle. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now I'm gonna add his head here, but I'm gonna do this with an extra support. So I've got another sharpened skewer dowel. So I got him to the shape that I want him, and now we're gonna do his facial features. I have some of these fun tools here. They're in 3 different sizes.
So you got some eye pokers there?
Yeah, they're eye pokers and mouth eye pokers. That's really funny because that's kind of what they are.
Yeah, it depends how big your eyes are.
They
You use
do,
different
yeah.
pokers.
They do. So you can go anywhere from like teeny, tiny, I ain't got time for that, to something that's a little bit bigger like this. But we do have to make sockets for his eyes, paint his eyes, and then we're gonna put a mask over it. We're not gonna worry about eyelids or any of the details of the eyes because of the mask. We just wanna see the actual eyes. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of white gum paste in here.
Hey,
like-
look at me. I'm a superhero.
I'm a superhero.
Meh.
Yeah. So I have a little piece of modeling chocolate here that's about the color of the birthday boy's hair. It's like a sandy blonde kind of color that I'm gonna roll out. We're gonna kind of do this like the mask too. I'm gonna put a mask up here and then carve it around his ears. It has like a little swoop that comes down like this, and then we'll texture it with a Dresden tool to make it look like hair. All right, got him in a good spot. Now we're gonna stack our cake, put him on top. All right, I'm gonna grab my signs and we're gonna put those around the front. I'm gonna glue my graphics using piping gel. Now I'm gonna use an edible marker to write Cake Slayer and then all my action words.
Joshua, I ate one of those markers, and I don't know if I would call them edible.
Okay, for the final touch, I'm gonna pipe a pearl border around the bottom and then some space clouds around the space too. Our superhero cake is complete, and I think our Cake Slayer in training is going to love it. Guys, if you want to see this whole party come together, I have a new show on Blueprint. I'll put everything in the description box below. And while you're down there and on Blueprint, they have tons of family content you guys can watch together. See you at the party. Bye. What's up, guys? Welcome to Mad About Cake. That's a big fly.
Did you bring your shotgun?
Oh no!
Again!
Tommy! I just need chopsticks and I can get it. Okay.